$1,800 a month. I'm refreshing my screen right now so that you know it's real. 2 hours of work, one client, the entire month handled. So here's what I did. I built a financial advisor, a 3-part content system using just Claude and GoHighlevel. And this was my first time ever doing this and selling anything this high. So yeah, I'm telling y'all, if I can do this, you can do this too. I want you just to literally copy what I did in this video and go and do the same thing. I'm gonna put all this in a free guide, so just watch the video and enjoy. Now, I'm telling you guys, this is the easiest side hustle that you can do to make money online with Claude. Now, I know $1,800 a month is not what you see online on YouTube. $110,000 a month plastered on these YouTube thumbnails that get hundreds of thousands of views. But if you haven't made $1,800 a month yet, let's try that first. And remember, results are always going to be depending on you, your efforts, and circumstances. I'm just sharing my real results and exactly how I did it. But if you hear anything from this video, let me help you not get into what so many YouTubers tell you guys to do. And that's selling digital products like ebooks, templates, courses. Yes, you can make money doing those, but you have to keep selling to brand new people every single month if you want to do well. You are on a hamster wheel and it never stops. What I'm about to show you is different. Clients who just keep paying you month after month without you going to find new clients every single month. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what business owners need this and can actually afford this, because it's not for everyone. So let me introduce you to my client, because her story is the whole point. So she's a financial advisor. She's incredible at what she does. But her entire business ran on word of mouth, which meant if referrals slowed down, everything slowed down. You have no online presence. You're not staying top of mind with anyone who didn't already know her. But here's what made her a perfect client for this, and why financial advisors specifically are one of the best people you can go after. They have compliance rules. So her company gave her a document listing everything she was and wasn't allowed to post publicly. But she's extremely busy, guys. She does not have time to filter through what she can and can't say. And that's your opening. Because here's what I did that almost nobody thinks to do. I uploaded that compliance document straight into Claude. So before Claude wrote a single word for her, it already knew the rules, her voice, exactly what she could and couldn't say. And that's the move. That's what made her content sound like her instead of generic AI. So when we first met on Zoom, I recorded it using a free tool called Fathom, and it transcribes everything in real time. I walked away with a full written record of her story, her clients, what she actually helps people with, all in her own words. I dropped that transcript into Claude along with her compliance doc, and I asked Claude to build out a full month of posts, real stories, value content, quotes, celebrity tie-ins to stop the scroll. And I asked it to create me some good thought-provoking posts for these types of posts that I designed in Canva, just to mix it up a little bit. I loaded everything into GoHighlevel Scheduler, and I was done, guys. That's part of the content system. But here's where it gets really interesting, because I didn't stop there. And the next part is honestly what makes this worth $1,800 a month. The content gets people to trust you, but then what? You need somewhere to send them, right? A way to capture them before they scroll past or forget you. So I built her an interactive retirement clarity checklist. People fill it out and it automatically calculates their score. It is the coolest thing. And if you think I came up with it, I need you to think again. Let me show you exactly what Claude built. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys the entire prompt that I used to create this so you can try it too, because I had them create this opt-in page. I'm gonna show you how it works. So it says, find out if you're really ready to retire. Get your free checklist. They click on that and it takes them to collect their name and information. So I'm gonna put in mine. And then I get instant access to this. And it says the 5 things most people don't know they're missing. And so check how cool this is. Now Claude created all of this for me and it made me look very professional. And like, she was like, what? I get this. And so basically the way it works is and it tells them what to do. Check every box that applies to you. Be honest, nobody else sees your answers. When you finish, click the button to see your personal retirement readiness score. So for example, if I know about life insurance, I click on this. For time's sake, I'm gonna go all the way down and say done, see your results. 20%, 3 out of 15 areas covered. There are gaps. And look at this. Your next step, let's talk before these gaps get expensive. I'd like to offer you a free blah, blah. They click on this and it takes them to her calendar. So this was a game changer that I created and showed her this, and she was mind blown. Claude built the whole thing. It gave me the HTML code. But you guys, you have to know this. You can't host anything directly on Claude. You need somewhere to put it. So I opened up AI Studio inside GoHighlevel, and I'm gonna show you what I did. All right, so this is GoHighlevel, this is her account, and if I go into AI Studio, they have their own vibe coder where you can create these things in minutes. And so literally what I did is I went here and I put the entire code from Claude. I just copy and pasted it and it created this. It duplicated it perfectly. Everything that Claude created, It created the exact same thing, the functionality, everything. And that's why this is the coolest thing, because I can use GoHighlevel for the scheduler. I can use it to actually create the lead magnet and publish it. And I'm going to show you exactly what else I use all in this one tool. That's why you only need 2 tools to do this. So all I did was just paste the code right here, and it created this in minutes. And anything that I wanted to change to it, I just said it right here, what I want changed, and bam, it makes changes immediately. And this is the thing, you need to capture names, emails, and phone numbers, because without that, they have nothing. You don't want to just post on social media. You also want to capture those people's names and phone numbers, because now you have something. Without that, you have nothing. And that's also what they're paying for. You're collecting real leads for them. Now, I want you guys to understand what AI Studio is. It's a vibe coder like Lovable and all those other things you might see. It's very similar to those, but they have credits for every single thing that you do. Every time that you actually make a change, you have to pay for those things. GoHighlevel right now, it's free. It's like a complete game changer. What I just showed you did not cost me anything. I pay one small fee once a month just to have this platform, and all the tools inside of it is just a part of that. And so you guys can take advantage of this, because I don't know how long it's gonna be for free. I know they cannot do this forever for free. So take advantage of this now. What I'm showing you, do this now. But then I built one more piece. Now, for everyone who fills out the checklist, automated emails go out over the following weeks. Not selling, just value tips. Information that makes her the person that they trust when they're finally ready to make a move. Now, I did all this in GoHighlevel too. If we go over here to automations, you'll see what I created for her. This is all set up. So when they fill out the form right here, then we add a tag, and then we send them a text. And then they go through this nurture sequence where they get an email, and we continue to nurture them, being the authority in this space, just providing value, not selling. And Claude created this entire workflow for me. I told them what I wanted, and they gave it to me. I told them after they fill out this checklist, what's a good nurture sequence just to continue to do it throughout the following month, sending them nothing but pure value. They gave it to me. I dropped it in GoHighlevel, and now we have a system set up for her. So here's a full picture. Content system, lead magnet, nurture sequence. 2 tools, 2 hours, $1,800 a month. Now let me tell you what happened when I showed her everything I built. So I got back on a call to walk her through everything, and you guys, she cried.
No, wait, no. I don't know if you see me on camera or not. Do you know that I'm crying right now?
Oh my gosh.
And she cried not because the graphics were pretty, because for the first time, someone had actually taken the time to understand her story and tell it the right way. She could finally see herself online without it feeling fake or forced. And that's why this service is worth what it's worth. 5 days after her posts were going live, she started getting comments, guys, shares, likes. And then someone sent her a direct message, not a comment, a DM, saying that they wanted her, saying they wanted it to only be her specifically. Keep this in mind. I'm not doing reels, no paid ads, just the content staying top of mind. 5 days. 1 post a day, not 20. And she's so excited, loving all of this. She's texting me like, oh my God, what's happening? This is real. Now, this is a pro tip right here. Business pages don't typically always get the reach in the beginning when you're trying to promote things. So what I told her is, when I post things on your business page, I want you to share them on your personal page. And just by doing that, that gives it more reach, because she has more friends on her page. So she goes to her business page and shares some of those posts on her personal page, and that gives it even more traction. And she's so amazed at people sharing her stuff. So who do you sell this to? Remember, you're not going after every small business. You want professionals with high ticket services. People where one new client is worth thousands of dollars. People who are great at what they do but have zero time for social media. So financial advisors, insurance agents, tax professionals, attorneys, CPAs. If a financial advisor lands one new client from their content, that client could be worth tens of thousands of dollars in commissions over time. $1,800 a month for the service that made it happen? Easy. They're not negotiating you on price. They understand the value. I promised some of the guys at the beginning that I'm gonna package everything that I just showed you into a free guide and give you the prompts that I use to create this stuff, how to actually use AI Studio and GoHighlevel, and the nurture sequence framework to actually use to get this started. I'm gonna put it in the description below. And if you want to get started now with GoHighlevel, you get a 30-day free trial with my link. And when you sign up with my link, you'll also get exclusive access to my 30-day sprint to your first paying client. You get group coaching with me and all my bonuses in my community of over 600 people. So it's worth it. It's free to sign up. Try it out. This is the easiest side hustle I see right now that you can actually do with Claude. If you are in, comment the word I'm in. Take advantage of the free guide below and GoHighlevel. I'm telling you guys, game changer. All right, if you like this video, YouTube thinks you will love this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.